All right. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of Take Profit Tuesdays, guys. All right, so again, we're just gonna pick up back from where we left off last week. And again, if you're watching this on the Instagram feed, go on the YouTube channel if you want to see the charts. But I really want to focus on this video. It's gonna be short, quick, nothing too complicated. But I do want to focus on the importance of patience and how patience is really important in this kind of market. And again, just like about a month or two ago when the war started, how we kind of saw a great opportunity to get into a good buy position. We're gonna see how to get into another good buy position. And with this, I'm gonna take you how I did it with me now. All right. So really quickly, I'm gonna clear this up from last week. That was the trade I said we should have took. You should have taken if you haven't already. And I'm gonna clear this up. So really quickly, guys, I decided to get into a buy position to S&P. I didn't get that much into it. I'll disclose it. It was just $25. I might do a screenshot post up next stream. We'll see how it goes. But nonetheless, guys, I took the trade on Sunday night, and I thought, okay, it's playing on the support zone right here. It might retest, continue to go up, but the truth be told, it didn't go up, and that's okay. Things happen. Just like I said, before when you were down here with the drawdown during the war, expect some drawdown, right? But as we always told you guys in the past, S&P, when you're investing into these indexes, you're really investing into the U.S. economy and the companies within the economy. So it's really beneficial when you're paying attention to these fluctuations in the market, such as these dips, the COVID dip, so on and so forth. When will the next dip occur? Tell the truth, I really don't know. But nonetheless, guys, I kind of, we play a lot of times we have to play the waiting game, and that's okay. As long as we're waiting, we're being patient. We can really capitalize on these opportunities. But I just want to emphasize that in this point right here, we got into a position right here, and as of right now, 2 days have passed. It's now Tuesday, and it's dipped lower. Could it go even further down? Yes. Couldn't go back to what was before a month ago? Yes. But nonetheless, I took all the four pillars that we learned: the capital, the strategy, the risk management, and we did the psychology. All that in place. So as far as the capital goes, the trade's already executed. As far as the strategy goes, I took it on a retest point. That's how I kind of do my strategy. As far as the risk management, it's not a lot of money I'm risking. And if it goes down, it goes down. If not, and it doesn't, and it's considered go profit. And the last one is psychology. So I'm not gonna close on this trade because guys, I'm not a scalper. I'm not a day trader. I'm gonna say that again. I'm not a scalper and I'm not a day trader. I'm a swing trader and I'm an investor. So I'm really gonna hold this probably a couple weeks, months. I don't know, end of the year, next year, 2 years, who knows? But nonetheless, you guys are gonna be with me, and yeah, these are gonna be trades. These are going to be the trades I'm going to disclose with you guys. All right. So now, um, I did want to talk about one of the most important things. And again, guys, if you're on the Instagram live, if you want to see the chart what I'm talking about with me, go on the YouTube channel, Vanya FX, subscribe and hit the noti bell, and you can see when I do these videos every week. One thing I do want to emphasize, guys, is the Bitcoin. Very important. So just ignore all these price tags. It's pretty irrelevant. But I do want to emphasize on let's say on the weekly frame. And I'll clear this out temporarily. I do want to emphasize on the weekly frame that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies has been fluctuating a lot of these past 4 months, ever since December, I would say. And as of right now, we thought it was gonna go to a rally in the group, and these past 2 weeks it's been going down. But overall, nonetheless, if you're still within this trade zone right here, it's accumulating. and it's still accumulating, and it won't stop accumulating until it breaks that zone right here. And I'll mark it for you. If this doesn't break the zone right there, we that's our major confirmation. And once it's get out of that zone, it's gonna keep going up and so on and so forth, and it may get to these highs. But again, guys, if you're not in the cryptocurrency, to be honest, I feel bad. I honestly do. I really feel you should all take advantage of it. It's decentralized. In my opinion, it's very liquid, depending on which broker you're using, or which exchange you're gonna use to, cash out. And it's in your control, and it's globalized. It's not focused on one country, one state, one vicinity. It's a global. It's the entire world is involved if you're connected to the internet. All right. Let's see where we're at. We're in the 6 minute mark. All right. As far as trades this week, I have not taken any trades these past week or so. I've not seen any good opportunities. Um, and that's how it is a lot of times. More likely than not, you just have to really wait, be patient, protect that capital, and wait for the right opportunity to actually take the greatest profitable trade. Because again, guys, we're not trading just to trade, just to get into a trade. We want to trade so we could make smart decisions and really make an impactful financial decision, right? So I'm just gonna go over one article, and then I'll probably wrap up this video, maybe do some announcements. So really quickly, just want to go over the article. It says stock market news live updates. Stock futures open higher ahead of earning reports by Emily McCormick. Right. So it says in the article, these reports help set the tone for what's expected to be much milder quarter for earnings growth than in the recent periods, as companies grapple with rising labor, raw materials, and the transportation costs. A lap last year initial reopening fuel jump in activity. Across the S&P 500, companies in aggregate are expected to report year-over-year earnings or just 4.5, which, if realized, would mark the lowest rate since the fourth quarter 2020, which is not good because if it's not growing, eventually it's not going to be a profitable business long term. Well, at least in the short term where we are now with the pandemic and the labor, unemployment. And it continues, this earnings season become one of the most important earnings season because it's going to give you a lot of insight into which companies have that durable demand, which companies have that pricing power. And to be honest, those are going to be your Apples, your McDonald's, these companies that have been, basically these companies have been the staple. Christian Briley said, CD head of global wealth investments told Yahoo. Even in the decades like the 1970s, when we had extreme inflation, large cap quality U.S. Equity shares are able to double their share price over this period. So what does that mean, guys? They're still profitable. Even if anything, they're even more profitable during this downturn. So that's why you should really seek what these large cap quality stocks, such as the Apples, Motorola, McDonald's, those Tesla, those are going to be the staples to persevere through these times and double their market share. She added, so that's the pocket of the market where we're constantly entering, either staying invested or getting invested. So that's the reason why you'd want to jump into these opportunities right now, especially when, as you can see, prices is very low. So if it's very low, getting to it cheap, cash out when the price get high and when the economy's better, right? Let's see. Final thoughts. I do want to say, again, guys, if you have not already, got involved into the master class that we're gonna have in March, well, May 13th, please get involved. I'll just get the banner for you right now. Give me 1 second. And to be honest, guys, like I've been telling everyone in the group, everyone that I know, people near me, friends, family, this is something you really want to get in part of. At least learn something. If you're not aware of it, you're just scared of just being a part of something so great, something that could really bring you some financial intelligence, some financial knowledge, you should definitely be a part of this masterclass. And again, guys, just to emphasize real quick, it's the Vine FX masterclass. It's a 1 hour class. As we say, it will last for ages. It's all online. What we will be teaching, or topics that we will be going over briefly, is the crypto, forex, stocks, and more. Again, it's a one-time payment. It will allow you a lifetime of passive income. Again, like I said before, it's Friday, May 13th. I'm gonna shoot around 7 p.m. to do that webinar. And yeah, it's $40 USD. Or if you're into crypto and you want to save some money in crypto, it's just $35. And again, this is the address code. You just scan it with your camera. It'll take you to the Bitcoin wallet address that we collect the funds. Let us know before you send it. And if you use Trust Wallet, or if you use any unstoppable domains to send funds to us, you can send it on this VineFX.crypto, because we have our own domain name. Yes, we're heavily involved, guys. We're taking this very seriously. All right. So again, final thoughts is to wrap up what we talked about. I got into this position right here, a little bit of drawdown as of currently. Next week it might go up, it might go down lower. I don't know, but nonetheless, I am prepared for both positions. I got all 4 pillars. So again, guys, if you guys want to learn how to trade how we trade, make money how we make money, you already know how to contact me. Reach out to me, comment, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next